Give 25p squared minus q squared on 5p squared plus 6pq plus q squared equals log 10. Find q on p. Okay. Now let's understand that the numerator here is the difference of two squares. So 25p squared can be written as 5 squared p squared minus q squared on 5p squared plus 6pq plus q squared. Remember, when you have log 10, it's the same as 1. Okay, now let's observe the powers here. When you have x to the power n, y to the power n, the same as xy all to the power n. So we can take the power out. That will be 5p all squared minus q squared. 5p all squared minus q squared equals to 1. Now let's deal with the denominator here, okay? So we have 5p squared plus 6pq plus q squared. So let's write the middle here as 5 plus 1 because 5 times 1 is 5. So we need to get 5, 1 here. So my 6pq will be 5pq plus pq. That will be 6pq. Okay, so we have 5p squared plus 5pq plus pq. So pq will be 6pq. I've done nothing here. Plus q squared. Okay, so we can factorize something out here. But let's observe the numerator. X squared minus y squared, the same as x plus y, x minus y. Difference of two squares. So the numerator 5p minus q, 5p plus q. So this side will be, so I can take 5p out, 5p, okay, so this side will be p plus q, p plus q here, and we can take q out here, that will leave with p plus q, p plus q. So let's observe the two brackets. Yeah, they are true. This equals that. All right. So let's go ahead as we deal with the denominator. 5p minus q, 5p plus q. So 5p plus q, and we have p plus q equals to 1. So we can do cancellation here. So 5p plus q, 5p plus q. I will have with 5p minus q, 5p minus q on p plus q equals to 1. Remember, we have after q on p. Okay, so from here, we can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. 1 times this is that 5p minus q This times 1 is p plus q. So let's group like terms. 5p minus p equals to q plus q. We have 4p equals to 2q. So we after q, let's divide both sides by we after q on p. So this side will p, this side will p, and I'll divide this side by 2, this side by 2. So this one will cancel, this one will cancel, 2 here, 2. That will be 2 is the same as q on p. So q on p is 2. All right, that's that.